Today, the electronics demand in India is about $50 billion. And that includes things that are made of all electronics, whether it's white goods, televisions, computers, laptops, washing machines, fridges, etc. In 8 years' time, the demand will be $400 billion. And that will be more than the oil import bill of this country. And I see no reason why in India, while we have SEZ which make tremendous IT services possible, software services, I see no reason why in India we can't become a manufacturing hub where we have young people, we have talent, we have raw material, we have engineering and design capabilities. We can create an ecosystem where manufacturing can become something that can be competitive. We feed not just our own demand and economy, but become a global supplier for electronics manufactured goods. That is what the Government of India is looking to do, and I'm very happy to report to you that the Honorable Prime Minister is very keen that our ministry leads the way in making sure that electronics manufacturing, hardware manufacturing becomes the next big thing to come out of India and hopefully to come out of Andhra Pradesh. Friends, the IT sector is a sunshine sector. We have predicted a growth of about 17% in the IT sector, and we all know the global economic downturn that has hit Europe, that has hit North America, and that certainly has affected the Indian economy. While I accept the fact that our growth rate has probably not met all expectations, but I refuse to believe that some company or some agency can sit outside this country and tell us what we are worth or how good or bad our growth is going to be. If you want to experience the robustness in India, you've got to go to the smaller towns and cities. You've got to see the zest, the innovativeness, the capacity of young people, students, scholars, scientists, researchers, entrepreneurs, young companies, and the kinds of growth that we are experiencing. While I don't want to contradict any rating agency that has made any comments about the state of economy in India, we are mindful that we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of fiscal consolidations to make. But in the IT sector, I refuse to believe that our growth will be any less than what we predicted. Because the turn of events in the next 6 to 8 months is going to be such that we will create the right environment for growth to take place. Reiterate the fact that India in the next 2 to 3 years will have a IT infrastructure that will be second to none in the world. We are going to light up every single panchayat in this country with optical fiber. The kind of ambition that we have for ourselves in the physical creation of IT infrastructure is something that no country the size and scale of India has ever embarked upon. The Union Cabinet has sanctioned 20,000 crores. 20,000 crores to link every single panchayat. There are 250,000 panchayats in this country, and we will have optical fiber going to the panchayat.